Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing a simple 5-minute makeup routine that you can do in flight. We're going to be prepping our skin for the dry air in the airplane, as well as adding a touch of makeup so we look a little more put together by the time the plane lands. I always like to start with a hand sanitizer, whether it be wipes or a gel, because there are so many germs and bacteria floating in the air on planes. I like to be clean before I touch my face. Then I love using a moisturizer, whether it's a cream or a gel, because we need that hydrated, fresh, supple skin. The air on planes is so dry, it sucks the life out of your skin. So I really like this Clinique one, the Intense Moisture Surge, because the formula is so thick, my skin feels very hydrated throughout the duration of the flight. Then I'm going in with a tinted moisturizer that has SPF in it, because where I was going, there's lots of sunshine and heat, so we need that SPF coverage, but also it just adds a little bit of color to even out your skin tone as well. So you'll see me using these brushes a lot throughout this routine. These are by Real Techniques. They are the travel size face brushes, and let me tell you, they are such a good investment. You can see how convenient the size is as far as traveling goes. However, the functionality is great. They're still doing a wonderful job at blending out that tinted moisturizer and making everything look even. I'm going to be using the Rainforest of the Sea Concealer by Tarte Cosmetics. This is a water-based concealer, so it's just going to add that extra little bit of hydration to your skin. This concealer is pretty light coverage, however, I think that that's perfect for when you're on the plane and you just want to give the illusion that you're a little bit more awake than you really are. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Glossier Boy Brow in Brown. This is essentially just a tinted brow gel that's going to help set your brows in place while adding a little bit of color to even them out. To add a little bit of color back into my skin, I'm using the No Blush Blush by Perricone MD. This is one of my favorites. Again, you can see the size is very convenient. This is actually the full size of it, not a travel size. This is just a perfect blush for everyday wear because it's such a neutral shade of pink, and I think it would work with essentially any skin tone because the formula is so lightweight. For the fairest skin, you can just add a small amount, and for darker skin tones, you can really build the product up to your desired look. It's very pigmented, so I personally love it. For a really simple eye look, I'm just going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette, which I love that it's a warm toned palette because it's really easy to wear for everyday use, and I just love the neutral warm shades. I think they're perfect for the crease. You can build them up and make a dramatic look if you desire, but I'm just using one shade in the crease to add a little bit of definition to my eyes. Mascara, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang. I wish I had it in the travel size, but I don't. And even though I do have other travel sized mascaras, this is just my go-to mascara currently, so I had to bring it with me. I'm just adding a little bit of the coconutbalm.com from Glossier on my lips. I need that bit of hydration. My lips are very chapped, especially on airplanes. By the way, you can use my Glossier code if you want to save yourself some money. 20% off plus free shipping on 2 or more items. Finally, I'm setting everything and hydrating my skin a little bit more with the Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. I hope you guys have found this helpful. I know you love when I do airplane videos. They're always really successful. It is a very simple, very natural makeup look. However, I think I do look a little bit more put together than when I originally got on the plane. So I hope you found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.